Hello and welcome to this new course. Today we will talk about Arduino alarm clock using a real-time clock and LCD screen. This project is presented to you by Educational Engineering Team. In this project we are going to make an Arduino alarm clock using the DS3231 real-time clock module. This module is very cheap and it works through I2C communication, which makes it easy to use with the microcontrollers. We will get the time using this module and will make the buzzer to beep after comparing the current time with alarm time. This module also tells us the temperature, so it's a very handful module that we will use, and we'll try to make this project as fun as possible. After this project you will be able to make your own alarm clock. So who we are? We are a team of skilled engineers seeking to deliver high quality engineering content including courses, articles, lessons and online support for all of engineering students from all around the world under the name of Educational Engineering Team. We also work as freelancer engineers, helping many students in their graduation projects and give many courses about engineering topics. We are also a board member of Microsoft.NET Club. We founded Inkbal team, which is a team that makes workshops and courses with reduced costs to help students understand and develop their skills. Here in Udemy we have over 12,000 students, 43 courses, and more than 334 reviews for our courses. Our courses range from microcontroller, Arduino, circuit design, Raspberry Pi, PLC, BIC microcontroller, 3D design using SolidWorks, and a lot of other interesting topics. You can check our Udemy profile at Educational Engineering Team to see our courses. If you liked any of our courses, you can drop us a message with the name of the course and we will be more than happy to provide you with a discounted coupon. Thanks for watching this introduction. See you inside this course. Happy learning. This is Educational Engineering Team.